Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prioritizing meter and positioning. Charge to at least 50% and angle toward your intended path. Once done, hold the input for 2 to 5/10 of a second to prime the dash. This reduces false triggers. Make sure to tap then swipe quickly to execute. A long hold cancels momentum. You should feel immediate forward force and ink trail activation. Practice 1 or 2 short dashes to confirm timing before committing to a full sprint. You now build combos by chaining dashes. Connect each dash within 6/10 of a second after landing to keep speed. Once you've chained, change direction mid-dash with short opposite swipes. Limit yourself to 2 quick adjustments to avoid stalling. Use ink-covered terrain strategically because passing over it refills roughly 20 to 40% of your meter, enabling longer strings. You should watch the meter and adjust aggression. Subtle steering beats wild swipes when navigating tight obstacles. You complete the sequence by timing your final dash to clear hazards. If you need to stop, use a short reverse swipe to brake immediately. Once done, recover meter quickly by hugging ink edges so you can repeat maneuvers. If your dash fails, don't panic. Release all controls, reorient toward the target, then retry within 1 second to preserve combo eligibility. This reset often fixes missed inputs and keeps your rhythm. Practice the reset until it...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.